So how to remove all Google Chrome extensions at once. So if you are actually looking for a way to remove all of them at once, you may have noticed that there isn't a built-in option to do that. At the moment, you can go over here, click on the three icons, go to extensions, manage extensions. As you noticed, these are all of the extensions. It will show up over here. If you click on developer mode, it will show more options. However, there's actually no way to do this yet at the moment. Chrome only allows extensions to be removed one at a time through this page. So you can click on remove here individually on all of these extensions, and it should just be done within a few seconds to a minute if you have like tons of them over here. But basically, that's it. While Chrome doesn't currently offer a way to uninstall every extension with a single click, removing them individually is still actually a pretty straightforward process. And that's it. Is how you can get this done. I hope you found this video very helpful.